Make a statement people will remember with inspired professional graphics and web design. These days, customers won't consider your business unless you have a professional brand and place on the web. Sangma Graphics are the expert designers who can create your exceptional custom graphics, logo, sign, website, and much more. Rather than paying too much for simple template designs that don't reflect your style, Sangma Graphics works with you to achieve the exact bespoke look and function you need. Get attention, expand your market, and increase profits. We specialize in web design for small and medium-sized business and entrepreneurs as well as personal blogs. We also offer software testing and, of course, every kind of graphics design. Give your company the exceptional branding you deserve with Sangma Graphics. www.sangmagraphics-freelancing.com